Hola! Thank you for covering. Ha? I was telling Corey, sabi ko sa asawa ko na ano, parang nasa Jupiter kami. Look! Look, oh. Wait. The Great Red Spot. Yan. The Great Red Spot is still there. Oh my gosh, this is a nice street. I'm feasting with my eyes and nose.
That thing right there.
Yeah. Guys, mag-research kayo yung clouds ng Jupiter. Alright, it's another day, it's another blessing to be alive. And andito kami ngayon sa aming lupaing tag 5-5 lang. At as makikita nyo ito guys, windows ito. Tapos nag-advertise sila libre daw, pagbibilhin mo ito nasa $600. Kaya lang, sabi ng asawa ko, what a waste kasi daw, mukhang luma and he doesn't know if magagamit ba. I think it can still be used. Plano ko ito kasi nag-order na kami ng new windows para sa bahay mismo. But plano ko kasi nalagyan ng extension yung deck namin para gagawing tingnan mo, para gagawing in the future dining areas. So ito na ngayon ang bahay namin na tig 5-5 lang. Tadang! Woot 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 woot. Ayan na po yung bahay namin na tig 5-5 lang. Tapos medyo nahitsura na siya ng kaunti. And then itong dalawang trusses na ito po yung para sa front porch.
Those two?
Yeah, those are for the front porch.
Let's say.
Tapos yung iba para continual doon. Ewan ko.
Let's say these are probably for over on the right side, and then the other ones are for the front porch.
Yeah, probably.
Well, I don't know. I don't know.
But you think?
I wish there was a garage on it, but that's alright. Because it looks like there should be some over
Well, garage will be towards the end there later on. Tapos magdidilim pa talaga ito guys as the days go on. Nagda-drama lang ako guys, but anyway, let's investigate. But seriously, pag winter dito guys, nagdi-dream talaga ako na naglangoy-langoy ako ba? Langoy-langoy dun sa sa dagat sa Pilipinas natin. Paano kasi? Yan yung napala mo kasi pumunta na dito sa Amerika, kaya sakirap buttercup. Okay. Baka mahulog tayo nito. Yan. Okay. Ito pala yung trusses na ilagay dyan kasi kulang pa ng trusses. Cathedral ceiling dito. May pagkaiba ang height ng ceiling. So that one there, it's 9 feet tall, but this one is the cathedral ceiling. So this is going to be where.
Yeah.
So do you like it? I kind of like it.
Yeah, that's actually decently high. I wasn't sure how
Yeah.
it would be.
I love it. Easy pa ng mga.
We didn't move those.
They were the ones who moved it. So the bedroom starts here. I wish he's here. I'm gonna ask him about posts. But then, all these are already calculated in the plan. So I should not be questioning.
Well, if you ask a question, don't say it as, why didn't you do this? Don't ever ask it like
No, I don't do that. I just said, do you think we need to put a beam here or stuff like that? Like, you know me.
Make sure.
It's just that your man ego doesn't like to be questioned by a woman, a small Filipino woman like me. So, but man, look at this. This is very high.
Yeah.
We could put like another bedroom in there. If only there's no trusses.
I don't know how they do it. But I don't know
What?
how this part works.
Which one?
How that works.
Which one? You didn't get your what?
My shoes.
Ah, it's okay. Hola! Thank you for covering. Huh? Gracias for covering el
The floor.
I said gracias for covering el floor.
I got my wrong shoes again.
You went wearing what, Jay? I can see you got the Spartans on you. What's that? Michigan Spartans?
Michigan State, yeah. That's where I'm from. But this is not the Wolverines with the Spartans. That's a big difference.
Oh, Matt.
Very nice, very nice. So ito na yung basement namin. Tapos pataas, 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 pataas.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. It's just a weird. It's just. You get upset if I do this?
I think we need to put more gel covering over here because
More what?
more plastic covering.
So this is. My gosh, there's a lot of room up here. No, don't walk on it. Just a 2x4. Don't walk on it. Well, I don't know. Once the
Yeah, there's a lot of space.
oh well,
We can put all our boxes here.
you can ask him if it would hold.
We have to have like, well, we're putting posts here for the bedroom
Yeah.
and over there, so it should be supported.
Yeah, that's a lot of space up there. Oh well. Oh well.
If we bring more plastics, or I just want to cover one more line here. So okay, ito pang storage, guys. Storage dyan. That area there. That's already covered over here. This one here is on, but that one, there's it open here, and it only goes this way, so it will be wet. So.
Make it quick, please.
Second. Can I have the light? Here.
Oh, it's fading.
Huh? It's not getting in.
It's
So
okay.
ganito ka, tigas yung plywood subfloor na ginagamit namin. Hindi nga maano, hindi ko nga tingnan nyo na na bent na kasi napakatigas na kasi the nail will not get in because it is pressure treated. So yun.
Oh, I don't know.
Kaya okay lang pag maulanan as long as hindi masyadong palagi na lang until 6 months. Kasi ang hirap talaga niyan. Oh my gosh.
Much better. Much easier.
Hi guys! Kumusta? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Kumusta po kayo dyan? Ito po si Marilyn, your friendly Filipino carpentera here in America together with my husband na hindi nasisiyahan. Hindi nasisayahan sa traffic. So, ito talaga yung mga kano guys pag masyadong traffic tapos yung iba ay hindi marunong mag-drive natataranta siya, nagagalit. Hindi naman nagagalit, nagko-complain. But anyway, right now, we are going to our construction at saka malapit ng alas 5. So, that means na mag-ngit-ngit na guys. Oh my goodness, didilim na. Didilim ang bulaklak, nataas ang rain. As you can see at the back guys, bumili kami ng Lazy Susan. We call that cabinet na Lazy Susan kasi nasa corner siya. Tapos patuyog-tuyugin mo lang ba yung sa loob. Naghanap ako sa ukay-ukay ng cabinets. Tapos nakita ko ito and hopefully makasya yan. Kung hindi hahanapan natin ng paraan. Diba? Paraan-paraan lang yan. Paraan-paraan lang yan. But anyway, so yeah, tapos punta kami ngayon doon sa aming lupa, sa aming pinapagawa na bahay kasi magme-measure na ako para ma-install na yung fireplace doon sa aming bahay. I hope na manood kayo hanggang sa huli kasi pag hindi, iiyak ako. Joke. Asawa ko tingnan mo, nagmumugto kasi ayaw na mag-travel. Or no, they were upset because kumuha ako ng candies guys. Kaya manin ba yung malaki pang party pouch? So yan, ibibigay namin ito sa next door neighbor. No, the house across the street, right? Kasi nasira namin yung daanan nila, yung grass nila nasira namin. So para hindi sila magalit, ibibigyan namin ng ganito. Tapos ang bait-bait nila guys. Yeah. So ito yung asawa ko, hindi siya nasisiyahan na kinuha ko ito kasi sabi niya galing kami sa mga biyanan namin. When was that? Yesterday. Tapos ang dami-dami mga sweets na dinala namin, mga cookies, mga candies. Tapos sabi niya, bakit ka kumuha niya? Ang dami mga sweets doon sa bahay. Sabi ko ay hindi M&M eh. Favorite ko kasi ito kasi may peanuts. Yan yung favorite ko. Pero ang hindi siya nasisiyahan, number 1 is pre-diabetic ako. And number 2 is ang presyo guys. Ang presyo is like almost plus tax is $20, right? So how much is that in pesos? 1,000 pesos plus guys. 1,000 candy lang, oh my gosh. Kaya hindi siya nasisiyahan siya po. Mahal-mahal naman yan. Guys, alam nyo, umiyak ako ng Christmas. I'm telling them that I cried on Christmas. You tell them why I cried on Christmas. Umiyak ako ng Christmas guys kasi pinagalitan ako nitong asawa ko. Sabi niya, kasi kasalanan ko din. Kasi Christmas na araw ito, tinawagan ko yung engineer ko. Diba? Hindi dapat dinidostore mo yung mga trabahante pag Christmas. Kaya lang, parang I felt like it was urgent that I call the engineer. Right?
Yeah, that's what you said. But
Huh? So your assessment, was it acceptable that I called on Christmas?
I would have waited 1 day.
What if it would collapse?
I don't think it would have collapsed. They know what they're doing. So I really wish we could have had a garage promo
It would be 30,000. We'll just
for 2 or 1.
I don't know.
2-car garage, 1-car garage. There you go.
Come on, let's.
Yeah, it's right through the worst.
Hola! Huh? Sabi ng asawa ko, sana may garahe. Wala kaming budget pang garahe guys. So, lagyan na lang namin ng tarintado. Joke. Siguro yung garahe will come later. Doon sa pinakadulo. Kasi 30,000 yung garahe. And I think it would be more than 30,000 because this is a different topography. It's getting along. Tingnan natin. Baka may makita akong mali. Tapos sisigawan ko sila, joke. Hindi naman ako sumisigaw kung kaya ko lang. Grabe yung hanggang ito. Oh.
Hola.
Hello!
Hello.
¿Cómo está? How was your Feliz Navidad?
Navidad.
Yeah.
Muy bien. ¿Y
Muy
ustedes?
bien. Yeah, we went to Michigan.
Michigan?
Yes.
Your family?
My husband's family.
All right.
Yeah, yeah. Do you have flashlight we can borrow?
Oh, yeah.
Just headlight?
Es for the...
No big...
No veo.
No?
Oscuro.
Oh.
Negro.
Negro, yeah, negro.
Go ahead. Be careful.
Yeah.
Man.
Hey, mister.
Hey. Yeah.
I brought the little Lazy Susan because I am not sure how to measure stuffs. I want to be sure that I am doing the right thing.
Okay.
So it's just a small one, a small corner thingy. So it's okay, right?
Yeah.
Do you have flashlight I can borrow?
There's a light down here.
Oh, there is.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Got it.
There is my beloved engineer.
There's a light.
Awesome. I brought a marker. I already have the measurement. So I'm gonna just make a marking so you will have a way to put everything in.
Right.
Yeah, and yeah, I know you don't like it to be crowded here, but I have to bring it here. I have no idea about measurements, especially the Lazy Susan. It's like circle, so how do I?
That's-
I know how to have to measure that one and here, but still I want to be sure.
Yeah. It has to be out, but it's a square in front.
Yeah, yeah.
So the front just has to be out.
Right,
Square.
right, yeah. And then I think it's on the smaller side, so the depth of my other cabinets is 25. I don't know if that's 25. I just have to move it a little bit forward. Like that. We have a house.
Yeah.
Muy bien, muy poquita house is mi casa es muy poquita.
Oh, chica.
Chica, pequeña.
Little. No. No.
Chica pequeña. What's pequeña?
It's very, very warm. It's a big house.
No, very small house.
Yeah.
Yeah, small, but it's okay.
Okay.
We love it. Oh, it's wet.
Yeah. It's wet. For the plastic, remove the plastic, the water. Yeah.
Ah,
It's
Oh, no.
little by.
huh?
It's little by.
So there was a drip here. Before, let me check. No saote pass. Amigo, no pass. Pass is jump, right?
Pass the jump.
Yeah. Don't jump. Not the end of the world. It's okay.
No.
I'm just messing up with them. So yan, excited na ako kasi malapit na akong mag-takeover. Diyan ko ilalagay yung corner ng aming kusina tapos mini-measure ko yung cabinet na yan para mag-match siya doon sa mga cabinets na binili ko the last time sa ukay-ukay. So hopefully mag-work siya. Yan, tingin-tingin din tayo sa ating mga kodigo para hindi tayo magkamali ba? Baka mas gawa na naman tayo ng ating engineer na, mali yung measurements mo kaya mahirap na. Yang asawa ko, ayaw niya talaga ng mga construction na mga trabaho ba? Paano kasi kailangan ko ng help, especially sa mga mabibigat na mga bagay. Kaya, yan, nahihirapan din siya, kawawa naman. Yan, ito na yung pagmamarka ko ng aming mga cabinets kung saan sila pupunta. Kaya lang parang limited yung space na ginawa ko kaya I have to do it again. Ha 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 ha. Alright, this time i-situate ko na kung saan ilagay ang aming fireplace. So it should be in between dyan sa peninsula at saka doon sa bubong. So dapat nasa center siya. Hello, hello. So, at this juncture, maglalagay na tayo ng circular na suspended fireplace. At ito po yung pinakagitna ito. So, teka lang, kunin ko yung ang circumference radius, radius is half, right? So, diameter is 34 inches. So, yung radius niya is half of that, which is 17. So, magme-measure tayo ng 17 and 34 ay dito na. Ito na yung 34. So, half of 34 is 17. Let's check. 33, 34. Yes. But then, lagyan natin ng extra space dito kasi lagyan pa yan ng drywall. Just to be safe. So, yan. 17. Lagyan natin ng... Okay, so dito yung pinaka-center niya. Hi guys! Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Ang pangit ko. Nandito ako sa aming biyanan ngayon. Yan, nandito kami sa basement. Ito yung binigay namin sa biyanan ko about 10 years ago. No, not 10 years ago, probably 15 years ago. Nasisiyan ako kasi dinidisplay pa niya. So, ito yung gift na binigay ko sa aking mother-in-law. Yan. The chocolate, the marshmallow. Tapos, sa aking father-in-law, ito. Yan, kasi mahilig siya sa beer. Tapos, binigyan namin sa kanilang dalawa, yan, candle. Ang bango-bango guys, para siyang raspberry, nagugutom tuloy ako. But anyway, linagay lang nila din sa under the tree. Nandito ako ngayon sa kusina.